you are seeing here tonight at this very moment is your future. Ang nakikita niyo po dito, yung mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. In other words, this is a preview of what can happen to your life. It's such that a lot of us, hindi tayo naniniwala sa sarili natin, naninibago tayo, and we are full of doubts. Sometimes even you as partners, as members of Ascender International, minsan hindi natin na-appreciate kung ano yung nandito sa o nangyayari sa community natin. But the truth is, napaka-swerte, fortunate ng part ng organization ng to, ng part ng community na to. Kasi meron na kayong tools, meron kayong system, meron kayong mga mentors, meron kayong success partners para turuan ka kung paano mo ma-achieve yung mga pangarap mo. And they have the proof. Can these people teach you? Of course. Sa community lang nila. Hindi pa po ito sa buong Ascendra. For 3 months, sa buong community ng Ascendra Prime, tumanggap ng almost 20 million pesos